The 74th Primetime Emmy Awards were held on Tuesday at the Microsoft Theatre in Los Angeles and was graced with the presence of many celebrities. The red carpet, which was limited last year, was back in full swing. The ceremony once again was indoors and was held in front of a full studio audience who appeared mostly maskless. The award ceremony was kicked off by host Kenan Thompson, who shook his leg on remixes of theme songs from famous TV shows like Friends, Law & Order and Stranger Things. To the surprise of many, Lee Jung-jae won the Emmy for the Best Actor in a Drama Series for playing the lead character on the Netflix survival drama Squid Game. He is the first-time nominee and the first-time winner in this category. Meanwhile, what also made history at the mega show was Abbott Elementary star Cheryl Lee Ralph, who became the second black winner in the history of the supporting actress in a comedy series. Previously, the award was only won by Jackie Harry for 227. The top categories saw many return winners in succession: Ted Lasso, Jason Sudeikis, Zendaya and Jean Smart. Zendaya grabbed the award for the Best Lead Actress in the Drama Series for her portrayal of Rue in Euphoria. She also won this award 2 years ago for the same role. Hong Dong-wook took the stage without his translator and gave a perfect acceptance speech in English as he won the award for the Best Director for Squid Games. Selma Blair took the stage and was welcomed with strong applause, dressed beautifully and using a cane, as Succession won the Emmy for the Best Drama Series for the second time. Ted Lasso won the Emmy for the Best Comedy Series. White Lotus creator Mike White took home back-to-back Emmys, one for Outstanding Director for a limited or anthology series or movie, and another for Outstanding Writer for a limited or anthology series or movie. Jean Smart won the Emmy for the Best Actress in a Comedy Series for a role as sharp-tongued stand-up comedian Deborah Vance on HBO Max's Hacks. Smart is a two-time winner in this category. She also won last year. John Legend helped to kick off this year's tribute to entertainers who passed on in the Memoriam segment. Legend sat at his piano and sang a moving rendition of pieces while the voice of the late legendary actor and comedian Betty White was heard in the background.